Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, if you thought my last video was fake, where like I showed you where like doing an algorithm, the same rules every time, will not mess up the Rubik's Cube. You might have thought it was fake, and it didn't work on your cube. I don't know why, but here, I'm going to do it with a fully solved, for then you can really make sure. So let's try to do this. So it's fully solved. I'm talking in here. Let me flip it around. It's fully solved. Yellow, orange, white, green, red, blue. They're all solved. I'm just gonna do the same moves. I might have messed up. Yeah, I think I did. I turned the wrong turn. No. Oh, I didn't. See, like, I was here and I went 1, 2. I was like, wait, what? And then I turned back and then I started going again. So, and again, the same algorithms work. Well, they're not really algorithms. They're just like turns. I don't know about doing that. A bunch will work. I don't know. You can try it on yours. I don't know. So yeah, it does work. I'll do it again. All solved. Let's do it on the white side. I'm gonna do it slow. It's almost there. And guys, it's 24 moves. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then 24. And then it's fully solved again. It works.